and parents. Welcome, my dear kids and parents. You are all welcome to. You are all welcome to Step Forward channel. Step Forward channel. Hello, my dear kids and parents. How are you all? I am happy to see you again. I hope you are all fine and safe at home, isn't it? Okay, children. Today, before start the class, let's welcome our friend Rosie. Okay? Afterwards, we'll go to the section. Hello, Rosie. Welcome you to my classroom. How are you? Are you okay? Are you fine? Isn't it? After a long time you came to my classroom. Today I am going to teach one super story for our kids. You want to listen that story? It will be very interesting story, Rosie. Okay? Okay. You sit and listen what ma'am is going to tell about the story. Children, Rosie has came to our class to listen the story. She also likes story like you. Okay. Now let's start our class. Rosie, go and sit in your place. Okay, Rosie? Okay, ma'am. Now Rosie is going to her place. See how she is going? Yes. Children, before start the class, let's see today's proverb. Okay, children? This one also said by our great leader, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Okay? Now let's see what he had said. Keep 3 T. Capital letter T it mentioned. Okay? Keep 3 T in your mind. In your mind. That is number 1, try. Number 2, true. Number 3, trust. We have to always keep these 3 T's. Which one started the letter T, the words, we have to keep it in your mind. What are they? I will explain now. The first one is try. Try. Try for a better future. We have to always try for our better future. The second one is true. We must be true with our work. All the work, what are the work we are doing, we must be with true. Okay? The third one is trust. We must always trust our God. When you have followed all these 3, the success will be at your feet. Yes, the success will be at your feet, children. So follow all these 3 golden words, children. Okay. Now, warm up time. Yay! We are going to warm up now. Yes, we are going to roll the hands front and back by counting numbers. Okay, come on, get ready. Hold your fingers, all of you. Fold it. Fold your fingers. Keep it like this. Get ready. Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to roll the hand at reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fast we are going to do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. Nice, no? Like this we can do the exercise also. We can learn through this numbers counting up to 8 and okay, you also practice like this. Okay, now let's start today's class. Today I came with new beautiful concept. That is your favorite subject, story. Yes, children, we are going to see today story. Okay. Children, have you ever seen the birds near your house, children? Yes. What are the birds? Can you tell me? Yes, come on, you tell. Yeah, hen. And you? Cock. And another bird? Yeah, you're right. Parrot. And another bird. Every time you can see it will make caw. Which bird is that? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is crow. Yes, children. These are the birds we can see every time near our house. Today we are going to see the story about parrot and the crow. Parrot and the crow. Children, what color is the crow? Come on, tell me, which color is the crow? The crow is black in color. See, like hair. Black in color. And the parrot, what color? Yes, it is green in color. The parrot is green in color. Okay. And its beak red in color. The parrot beak is red in color. Now we will see now the picture. So these two are what they are going to do. Let's see. Okay, children. Now, how many legs do the birds have, children? Tell me, how many legs do the birds have? Yes, it has 2 legs. We have 2 legs. But the animals all have how many legs? Yes, they are all have 4 legs. Animals all have 4 legs. We have 2 legs, human beings, and the birds also have 2 legs. Okay, now let's see the story. There is a big tree. Okay, there is a big tree. That tree is a mango tree. It is a mango tree. In the mango tree, there are very nice ripe mangoes are there. Okay, it look very beautiful, and when we see, the water will come in our tongue. Like that, very sweet the mangoes are. Every day, the parrot will come to that mango tree. In that mango tree, already one crow is there, black color crow. The crow never allowed anyone to come and taste the mangoes. It is a selfish crow. Okay, it won't allow anyone to come and eat the mangoes. But the poor parrot, daily it will come and ask the crow, please give me the mango, I want to taste the mango, like that she will ask. Crow has said, no, I will not allow you to eat the mangoes in my tree. This is my tree. Go away from here. Caw, 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 like that it shouted. The poor parrot got scared and it flew away very sad. One day, the parrot want to eat again the mango. On the way, the parrot saw one red color balloon. Yeah, that parrot at that time, it has one idea. He thought, why can't we do something with this balloon and make the crow afraid? Today I must eat the mango. Like that the crow thought in his mind. As soon as the parrot picked the balloon with its beak, red beak, and it came near the tree. The crow was eating the mango as usual every day, like that. What did the parrot did, you know? It burst the balloon. Tamal! It burst the balloon. Tamal! The balloon has bursted with big sound. Tamal! Tamal! At the time, crow got pride. Oh my God, who's that? What is happening here? Somebody want to shoot me with the gun. I heard the sound of the gun. Oh my God, I will not stay here in this mango tree. I want to save my life. Like that it told and flew away from there. The clever parrot has ate all the mangoes happily and flew away. See children, from this story, what we have learned? We have learned presence of mind wins the problem. Yes, the problem will always come for us. Without problem, we can't live in the world. But we have to use our mind in clever and useful way. Sure, we can solve the problem and we can win it. Yes, children. This is the moral of story. Presence of mind wins the problem. Children, did you like today's section, children? See the story. You also think like parrot, children. Okay? Always be clever and think positive things. Okay, children? Okay, let's wind up today class. We will see in next class, children. I will be back soon with another new concept, children. Okay, children, take care. Until that, stay tuned, wear mask, use sanitizer or soap to clean your hand. Drink plenty of water, do exercise daily, and the main thing and important thing, obey your parents. Obey to your parents, children. Bye. Bye. Bye, Rosie. Bye.